Hello friends, Eric and Mario here with another fantastic listing at 2519 Knights Lake Road in Groveland.
This is awesome 4-bedroom, 2-bath home features 2352 square feet. It has a main home that's 1900 square feet and it has a 1-1 in-law suite in the back. It has been updated. It has a metal roof, new kitchen. It has an open concept connecting the dining, kitchen, and living room, and it has an updated master bath also.
Oh man, this home offers even more than that. As you can see, there is a beautiful front porch for you to sit out on, has the carport, and there is a beautiful wraparound enclosed screened porch on the back, which I absolutely love. Back in the corner of the property, you also have a pole barn for you to put all your toys with and keep them out of the elements. This 5-acre parcel is located just 11 minutes from downtown Groveland, 15 minutes from Publix and the Tractor Supply store, and best of all, is that peace and quiet. If you're looking for some nice country living where you can have farm animals and enjoy the natural outdoors, this is the place for you. Come on in. Follow us, let's take a look together.
Thanks for checking out our listing. Tell us what you love about it. Eric?
Well, you know me, I'm a country boy at heart, so I love that you can kind of do whatever you want out here. Your neighbors aren't going to give you trouble. You can kind of live the lifestyle that you want, and it's nice and quiet.
I love the peace and quiet, especially when I'm having my coffee, so I absolutely love the front and back patio on this home.
Let us know what your favorite feature is. Give us that thumbs up, share with your friends. They will be so happy you did.